Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukonrat ki Sangma haba jingkran ha kajingalang bakongsan jong ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki Sub-Divisional Officer Civil ha khatnyo tarik jamang ha Shillong ula Kyntu ba ki deiban phaikhmat nyngkong shaki paidbah hashwa bakin shimya kinu kirai ula Kyntu ru ya ki DC bat SDO bakin nyngkong ringkat kenang ban penti kena halor ka jingla ban jingtreikam bahaya ki program bat ki skim bapher na ka benta ka roi ka par jong ka jella ha ka ni ka jingalang balaya dan lang ru menteri sorkar uba kermen Syllad UCM ulak keren ru ha ka bayadei ba ka thong jong ka jella ban kenjo sya ka yo ka kot ka ba $10 billion ka ba penya so bat ki $10 tili ki kabu bat ki jingkot jingmot jong ka sorkar ula ong ru babaro ki he sorkar ki dei ban ai ka jingtreikam ringkat ban poi sya ka ni ka thong ula pentip ru ba ki jingpen idak bapher halor ka yo ka kot bat ka roi ka par kila kio bha hai ki ni ki hinrius nam baladam ngi lala bende khambha ha ka ba jingtreikam ya ki skim bapher ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jilla lingba kalenti jong ka jingtreikam ka jing bishar benya ka jingkut jingmut bat ka jingkhut hakiru kom trekam benrap ukonran nalor kata UCM Kyntu ru ya ki DC bat ki SDO bakin penlong ya ki jinglet jure pakha shaki school hospital PHC CHC bat ki weipat bat ban ai ya ka kaiphat sha ka sorkar lingba ki kor ki bor jong ka ni ka juk ba menta khnang bakin la ban shim ya ka rai kane ka jingalang ka deiru ka bathamu ban pentip sha ki he sorkar halor ki sin jam ba pher balashim da ka sorkar na ka benta ban penya chakmat ya ki kam penroi da ka ba penshong nong rim lingba ki jingkheng jindia balayo lum kane ka jingalang kolong ka ba kongsan namar ki jingyo jing pentip lingba ki DC bat ki SDO kilong ki ba kongsan shibun na ka benta paidbah ong UCM shu ha kane ka jingalang Commissioner and Secretary Dr. VJ Kumar ula batai benia halor ki program ba jingtreikam lingba ki technology ka ba kunthop ya ka rinsan CM Connect bat ka rinsan DC Connect.
We are very firm in our belief that until and unless we are able to really activate and coordinate with the districts, then all the programs and policies and whatever we try to do from the headquarters will not have the desired impact that we would want. And that's why we've made a concerted effort in the past 5 to 6 years to regularly engage with the districts, especially the deputy commissioners, improve the system, get feedback. And it is based on the feedbacks and discussions only that we've seen small policy changes that took place, which actually impacted the public at large, like the simple thing that our Chief Secretary was mentioning about giving relief at the grassroots level. So it really has an impact. So therefore, a lot of people may not feel how critical or may not realize how critical this particular meeting is, but I can tell you the kind of decisions that are made at the top level based on your feedback is very important for the public at large. So it's not about the $10 billion economy alone. A lot of people think that we are driven by his GDP growth rate and all these things. Yes, it is a number that allows us to move forward. But actually, if you look at this entire, government's agenda, the basic idea of the $10 billion economy is linked to 10 opportunities and 10, commitments that we're giving to the people. So while we achieve this $10 billion, we are also looking at the 10 promises that we're making to the people. Once we achieve the 10 billion, while we're moving forward, when we get the 8,000 crores worth of investment because of the investment policy we've come up with, we expect that 50,000 jobs will be created out of it. So therefore, it is all of these aspects are of course centered around the 10 billion, but there are 10 opportunities and there are 10 different commitments. For example, we want to ensure that the power connectivity, the road connectivity, the water connectivity, the IT connectivity, all of these connectivities are there to every grassroots village or household in the state. So like that, we have tied the vision of this 10 billion and connected it to different social and infrastructural goals that we have.